This video examines the case, Authority of the Freeport Area of Bataan versus F F Cruz Co, focusing on standing in reversion actions and the beneficial ownership of public reservations. This case involves the Authority of the Freeport Area of Bataan, or AFAB, as the petitioner, and F F Cruz Co as the respondent. The subject matter concerns the nullification of land titles and the reversion of public lands. The historical context begins with Republic Act 5490 in 1969, which established the Bataan Trade Zone. Subsequent proclamations in 1971 reserved specific lands for these purposes. Over time, legal succession transferred these rights to AFAB. AFAB discovered that parcels of this reserved land were registered under the name of F F Cruz Co, with the original title issued in 1972. AFAB argued that these lands were inalienable at the time of that issuance. AFAB filed a complaint to nullify and cancel these titles. The Court of Appeals, however, dismissed the case, ruling that only the state has the authority to initiate an action for reversion of public lands. The core of this legal dispute centers on standing and who holds the right to act as the real party in interest in cases involving the reversion of public lands. The Supreme Court affirmed that the complaint was effectively an action for reversion. The primary objective of such an action is to restore land to the ownership of the state when it is shown that the land belongs to the inalienable public domain. Regarding the real party in interest, the court ruled that the Republic holds beneficial ownership. Consequently, the Office of the Solicitor General holds the primary authority to institute reversion actions. Administrative agencies like AFAB cannot sue for reversion in their own name. In this ruling, the court abandoned the previous shipside doctrine. While BCDA was once considered the real party in interest for military reservations, the new doctrine establishes that the Republic, as beneficial owner, is the only proper party for these actions. This table illustrates the evolution of the doctrine, contrasting the old approach under the shipside case with the new doctrine established in this Supreme Court ruling. In its final decision, the Supreme Court denied AFAB's petition. It affirmed that AFAB was not the real party in interest, and that the Office of the Solicitor General must initiate such complaints on behalf of the Republic. Thank you for watching this presentation on the GR number 240047 lecture series on law and jurisprudence. This slide provides the sources for the images used in this video.